So I have been using this for years and years and years and years and years. I used the cleanser and the foam wash from Pacifica and Murad, but this time I applied different. I know you people don't start with me, because you people will just go, oh, she's doing bleaching, she's not bleaching. Get a St. Eve, you get a St. Eve, he gets a St. Eve, we all get a St. Eve, okay? Hey, yeah. Hello guys, if you've never seen me before, my name is Manuela and you're welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and be part of the family already. Don't wait. Why wait? You want to be updated with everything we do here at Manuela. So today we are talking skincare. I always tell you guys, comment down in the section below if you have a request. I take requests. I love it when you guys interact with me, exchange with me. I love it. So make sure you always leave me a comment or a thumbs up on the video. I want to know that you're there. I want to know who you are. I want to know who is watching me. Today someone requested a skincare routine video and I was like, yay, so excited. Some people are going to be like, oh my god, finally something else than makeup. Okay, you know what? Skincare has to do a lot with makeup. For someone like me that wears so much makeup all the time, it is so important for me to clean my face, for my face to be hydrated, moisturized, and always clean once I'm not wearing makeup, because you gotta let your skin breathe, okay? Makeup is great, makeup is nice, makeup is bomb, makeup is okay, I was confused there for a minute. Makeup is bomb, but you gotta let your skin breathe, okay? It's, you know, it's a part of your body that needs to breathe as well. You can't always be stacked, looking like a drag queen. No. Very seriously. And I try to do my best to keep my skin clear of any acne or, you know, yeah. So today I'm going to share with you guys what I do to keep my skin clear. Now note, I am not an expert, I am not a doctor, I am not claiming my skin looks the greatest. I am just sharing with you guys what I use and what I know, okay? I will be putting prices down below and where I have found the products for those that are interested. If you have any questions, again, feel free to comment down below to ask me, okay? Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Bam! I have made a basket here of practically almost all my products that I use for my face and body. So we're going to be cutting it into two parts. We're going to have a body part, and we're going to start with the body, and then we're going to have a face part where I'll be showing you what I use for my face and what I use for my body. And yeah, and I'll tell you guys when I use it, you know, and stuff like that. Let's start with the most basic stuff, okay? Body wash, okay? It's important to wash your body every day, at least every day. If you can, do it 2 times a day. You're a girl, okay? If you're a boy, 1 time a day, because I know niggas don't even shower like that, so you know what I mean? Yeah, take a shower. Anyways, so 2 things that I use for my body wash, you know, that I love. I love incorporating different oils and butters into my skin. I think it feels great and I feel luxurious. Yeah, so let's get into it. Something that I know a lot of people use, Castile soap is great for you. This one particularly, it has coconut oil, olive oil, there's so many things, argan oil, almond oil, jojoba also is amazing. I love this soap. Anytime I use this soap, I feel moisturized, I feel great, I feel great, you know. This at Ross, and I will be putting the price down below. I think it retails for about $6.99. I'm always in Ross. If you don't know, don't be playing with Ross. They got plenty amazing stuff over there. Okay, so this is where I got it. Again, you can always Google it, Castile soap, and look for the one you particularly want. But I got this from Ross stores, just for less. So as I go with the products, I'm going to be taking it out of the basket. Okay, up next, I actually use 2 soaps. This is the second soap that I use. Okay, it's called African Black Soap, and this is my second soap, and it's for deep body and facial cleansing. Personally, I don't use it for my face, okay, but I use it for my body. I do like it. It really cleanses your skin. It's great. I started using it about a month ago, and I love the feeling of it, and it really has charcoal in it. I thought it was, are they sure it has charcoal? It does it just look black? But it does have charcoal in it. Again, I got this one at Ross too for about $5.99, same price range. So yeah, and I definitely love this, so I would recommend it if you want. This is the body lotion that I use. It's called Pembroke and Kent Luxurious Personal Care. That's the brand. Now it's called Highly Nourishing Shea Butter Body Butter. It's long, okay? And it's a buttercream collection. It says here a nourishing body butter with shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, and green tea extract to deeply moisturize skin for ultra hydration. Let me tell you about this. I got this one at Ross too. Y'all gonna say, ooh, this girl, she spends her life in Ross. No, I just like good stuff, okay? So when I take something and I look at the ingredients, I'm like, ooh, I like the oils. I see the shea butter, I see the coconut oil, I see the green tea extract, I see the vitamin E. I bet she's happy. Like, I see that this could be good for me. So I was like, oh, let me try this. I was a little anxious. Like, are they sure? So again, this retailed for about $6.99, and I started using it. And let me tell you guys, my skin feels so smooth. Like, when I use this, 2 minutes after, my skin is so smooth, and I'm not arguing with nobody. Like, I'm letting you know. Like, I never look ashy with this shit. Like, it's doing me some good, okay? Pembroke and Kent Luxurious Personal Care. Like I said, don't be playing on Ross. I got all these three at Ross. I'm always looking for the best thing, and the best thing don't necessarily mean the most expensive or what's online. Sometimes you gotta look for it to find it. Okay, we're still onto body. You know, guys, it's so important to scrub your skin at least 1 or 2 times a week. I try to do it 1 time because I'm lazy. So I usually try to do it 1 time a week at least. Okay, and I use this Tree Hot Sugar Scrub. And I got this one at Walmart. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this. They sell it at Walmart. I'm not sure about the price. I'll be writing it down below, but it's not more than $10. Yeah, so it smells amazing. It smells so, you just feel so pampered, you know. Again, I also like to use coffee. I like to mix coffee and olive oil and a little bit of sugar for my scrub. That's amazing. If you do that once a week as well, that's great. Okay guys, it looks like we're done with the body now, so let's go into the face. Before I get into really washing my face, I'm going to show you what I use to remove my makeup, because it is so important to remove your makeup. Don't be the kind of girl that goes out at night, okay, and she comes back home and she sleeps with her makeup on. Just don't be that girl, okay? No one wants to be that girl. Nobody likes that girl, and that girl's face is probably full of acne and pimples for no reason and breakouts, you know. Just don't be that girl. That's all. Okay, great. Don't be that girl. Like, seriously guys, I understand sometimes you might be drunk, you had a long night. At least just take off the makeup. Even if you don't wash your face, take off the makeup, okay? Thank you. We're friends now. When I want to take my makeup off, 2 things that I use, okay? Get this at Walmart, guys. I love it. It's the Equate Nighttime Soothing Makeup Remover Towel. I grab one of these. I just wipe it all over my face. It takes most of my makeup off, okay? Then I take this micellar water. You can get micellar water anywhere. It doesn't have to be this brand, but I like this brand because it has rose water, and I really like to use rose water on my skin. So I would take cotton ball, not even a cotton ball, like a little pad, or sometimes I just take this and apply some micellar water onto the wipe, and I just wipe my whole face. Once you did that, that's not so. I advise you wash your face. Don't just wipe it and go to sleep. So now let's get into my face routine, morning and night. Okay, so recently I started using the brand Murad, and I'm using the collection, is it collection? Am I supposed to call it collection? Anyways, this is the Murad Essential C Cleanser, and this was their brightening / lightening collection. You know, that's what I got because I felt like at a point my skin was just getting really dark, and I needed to see what was going on. I had a lot of pimples at the time, and I don't know, I felt like it just left me a really dull skin. So I was like, I'm gonna try this. So I use this morning and night. I just grabbed this brush, cleansing brush that I got on Amazon for like $9.99. I will be putting the link down below for those that are interested. I apply a little bit of this on there. It smells really good. It smells really lemony / orangey, and I just start brushing my face all over after makeup at night and in the morning when I'm taking a shower, okay? what I like to do, because before using Murad I was using Pacifica, I like to mix my Murad with Pacifica on my brush and wash my face. This is a foam wash and this is a cleanser. So cleanser. Okay, yeah. So I'll just blend both of these and I will just put it on my brush and start brushing my face, and I love how it feels. Pacifica, I love their brand so much, and you know, and they're super affordable. Again, I'll be putting the price of this right here because I don't quite remember it. I don't want to talk shit. And I'll be putting the price of the whole collection, Murad, or the link to the website for those that are interested. Okay, once I wash my face, you know what? You gotta moisturize. If your mama didn't tell you, the Essential C Day Moisture, still it's the same collection from Murad, and I usually mix this with the Pacifica Gem Serum. So I would just remove a little bit of this, put about a drop, not a drop, like a little dot on my hand, and I would take the Pacifica Gem Serum, get a drop, and then I'll just press the drop into the cream, and then I mix it together and apply it all over my face. And that really, and this is sunscreen protecting, so I like this because during the day I always have to put it because it protects me from the screen, from the sun, and you know. I use those two to moisturize my face in the morning. Okay, in the morning. So at night, I repeat the same thing. So I use the cleanser and the foam wash from Pacifica and Murad. But this time I applied different okay. This time I applied different products to my face because it's nighttime and you know we're sleeping for so many hours. And you know, you gotta do different things, okay? Okay, so also in the morning and night I applied this under eye cream by Murad. It's an instant radiance eye cream. When I first got this cream, first time I used it, I was like, instant radiance eye cream, what you mean? Like my eye about to be concealed with this shit? And then I used it and I swear to God, it would give you an instant radiance. Like it would make all your dark circles disappear. It's like you can put it on and moisturize your face with everything, and then you put this and people would think you have makeup on, but you don't, because it just conceals your dark eyes so well. Like honestly, this is bomb. Even if I don't buy the collection from Murad again, I will buy this again, and you only need a little bit, like that, and it's really good for lightening if you really have dark eyes here. Now what I use at night to moisturize my skin is still from the Murad collection. Is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Again, it's great. It gives you that radiance when you wake up in the morning after using it. So make sure you use this at night yeah. So I think the best thing for me is just to put the price of the whole collection for those that are interested. If you feel like your skin is dull and you really want to give it some radiance, some glow, and some popping, you know, the collection will be great for you. About 2 to 3 times a week I try to scrub my face as well. And I think everybody knows the Scent Eve's apricot scrub from Scent Eve. Pretty much, yeah. So I have been using this for years and years and years and years and years. So make sure you grab one. Everybody needs this, okay? Everybody needs this Scent Eve apricot scrub. It's great. It really scrubs your skin so good. You all need to get it, okay? You get a Scent Eve. You get a Scent Eve. He gets a Scent Eve. We all get a Scent Eve, okay? Hey, yeah. Silly me. Okay, so yeah, if you want to scrub your face at an affordable price. Also guys, I love everything roses, rose water, rosé. I love to drink rosé. I just love roses, you feel me? Yo, I'm wearing roses. Okay, so I have this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. So every time I do anything with my skin, which means if I'm using and it's clean, I always like to take this spray and just spray it to my face. I can even do it right now because it's just good for you. Rose water will make your skin popping and radiant, so don't sleep on it. Garnier. So I love this, and it's literally just rose water, roses and water, literally no added ingredients. So also at night I use this Murad. I also use this Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum at night before sleeping. You're supposed to apply it on the areas that you have most pigmentation, like dark pigmentation on. I just apply all over my face. I'm just bad. Like they said apply or nah. I'm gonna apply all over. Okay. So I definitely saw results once I started using this. Like literally, yeah, my skin just cleared up and I had that glow. Thank you, Murad. Again, this is the Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Like, if I have to be honest, even if you're like, okay, I really want my skin to look good, and then you don't have that much money and you want to use Murad because it's one of the best brands out there for skincare, I would say the two products that I can't do without is the Skin Lightening Cream. Well, not the lightening cream, it's Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. I know you people, don't start with me because you people will just go as, oh, she's doing bleaching, she's not bleaching. So even if you just want to get a few things from Murad, just get this and the instant radiance cream. English is so difficult, it's not my first language. Now, last but not least, it is so important, guys, to moisturize your lips, even to scrub your lips. And the good thing about lips is that it's easy to maintain. Make sure that you're always scrubbing your lips. Ugh, why am I having such a hard time saying lips? Make sure you're always scrubbing your lips once or twice a week. Oh my god. Make sure you're always scrubbing your lips once or twice a week. It's so easy to scrub your lips. Just put a little bit of sugar in a bowl with olive oil and just scrub it all over your lips, and just do that once, 2 times a week, and it will help keep your lips as pink as possible if they were already. I'm trying to say, if you got really dark lips and you use it, you're gonna have pink lips. Don't be turning my words, okay? I don't want no issues with you guys, okay? Ha. Yeah, I love you guys. Yeah, so it's so important to scrub your lips and also to moisturize them. There are 3 things that I use for my lips, but I'm only going to show you one because do I really need to show you the other 2 things? I use coconut oil for my lips before I go to bed. I use Vaseline for my lips, and I use this. I always have this in my pocket when I'm not home. The Nivea Smoothness Broad Spectrum Lip Care. And guess what? It also protects your lips from sunburn and all that, so that's great. So your lips are not going to darken if you wear this all the time, and I like it. And it feels really smooth, and it's really lightweight. I don't like the kind of lip balms that you put on your lips and they has flavor and shit. Like it's a lip balm. It's not supposed to be sweet. It's not candy. Like, can you just make it simple? That's why when I'm home, I'm always using either coconut oil or Vaseline. I like my things simple, okay? So that concludes our skincare routine, guys. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below about the products that I use or about my skincare routine. If you want me to tell you about anything else, if you have a request, anything, just comment down below and I'll be happy to assist you. The most important thing I forgot is to drink water. It is so important. Drink water. It is so important to have beautiful skin. So don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink at least a gallon of water a day. I know it sounds like a lot, but if you do, you're gonna see a huge difference in your skin. I have, because at a point in my life I was drinking 2 gallons of water a day and my skin was glowing. So make sure you drink your water. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Why not?